Hey guys, how are you all doing? Hope you all are doing fine. Anyways, today we're gonna be studying integers. But first I have something to tell. Dear maths, I'm not a therapist. Solve your own problems. And maths is the only place where people buy 60 watermelons and no one knows why. Maths is also the only place where John runs these many kilometers and we have to find the distance from the sun to the moon and make it to the power of 2 and multiply it by 2 to the power of 256 for fun. Well, like, what fun is this, Nat? This is your problem, not my problem. It's not my fault you don't know how to do multiplication and division. So the teacher tells us to become your slave and we have to solve your problems for you while you live in luxury. I know y'all didn't understand anything that I said, and y'all are not gonna and oh god, what am I saying? I speak in such funny accent. Okay, anyways, integers, quick review for my classmates. Oh yeah, guys, you see this smiley face over here? I meant to replace it with a sad face because my classmates are irritating as hell. Okay, let's just start it actually. First multiplication, yay! So to simplify this for my classmates who are bad at maths and all they do is complain about the maths teacher, even though it is the maths teacher's birthday. And they're still gonna complain regardless, I think. Sorry, maths ma'am, Harita ma'am, sorry for that. I don't know. Okay, so let me oversimplify it. So, negative integers and positive integers want each other to die. Negative integers and positive integers are enemies. So, when God tells one negative integer to multiply with another positive integer, sounds very sus. To multiply, they both hate each other and argue and fight and God does not like this, so it makes the integer result negative because they were fighting. And positive, God, I think I'm over confusing this rather than oversimplifying this. So yeah. While negative and positive are enemies, positive and negative are friends. Positive and positive are friends. That's why when God tells them to multiply, they always become positive, and God is happy because of that, and makes their multiplication result positive. Same with negative. I'm really over confusing this. Oh my god. You also just learned from your textbooks. I'm definitely over confusing this. So next, same thing as with division, and I don't want to over confuse this again. And today I'm gonna tell you guys, my annoying classmates and my great viewers, if these are true or false. Yay! So, negative a divided by negative b and negative b divided by negative a are enemies. That's why negative a divided by negative b equals to negative b divided by negative a. This sentence is false. Same with addition, same with and the rest of the things. That's because negative a divided by negative b is equal to negative b divided by negative a are jealous of each other. And because they're so jealous, they become rude to each other and and refuse to become the same. That's why this is false. Same with the rest of the integers division. But the multiplications are more positive, and A multiplied by B is equal to B multiplied by A. This sentence is true because they're friends. They're not jealous of each other. Oh my god, okay, great. And now I'm gonna tell y'all tricks to solve the equation. Yay! How far? No. So first, a trick for multiplication is to step 1. Check the number of negative. Oh god, this is the worst definition I've created. So step 1 is to count how many negative numbers you have in the sum you're solving. If you have an even number of negative numbers, then the result will be positive. And if you have an odd number of negative numbers, then the result will be negative. Next, forget about the negative integers and positive integers and just multiply the integers like normal. And step 3, next step 3. So before you earlier you counted the number of negative integers, right? Well, that was actually really important, because now that you multiplied the integers like normal, forgetting about positive and negative, you are gonna put the negative sign next to the result if the number of negative integers you had in the sum you were solving was odd, and if you had the even number of negative integers in the sum you were solving, you're gonna put a plus. So yeah, same for division. Bye.